never gonna achieve my dream. Hey, what's up, bro? What you doing? Just hanging out. How come you're not making music? I don't know. I've been losing motivation. None of my songs sound that good. I mean, they're alright, but I just wish I could make a hit and be famous and have a lot of fans. It hasn't happened yet, and I'm kind of unmotivated. Are you dumb? Are you serious? You're already living your dream. You're making music. And don't tell me you don't have fans, because you have 950 followers on Instagram and like 800 on TikTok. Man, you're ungrateful. You need to start being grateful. You're right. No, you're right. I should be more grateful. I do have fans. And I am living my dream. Just as not as big as I imagined it, but I'm still living my dream. You're right. You are right. Good thing I came. Get in the studio. Man, I feel better. I'm gonna freaking get in the studio right now, man. I'm gonna freaking do it right now. Alright, that's what I'm talking about, man. There you go. Play me one of your songs. Alright. This is the one I've been working on. Well, I just made it. And I posted it. Let's hear it. I don't care when you made it. I don't care when you post. Let's hear it. Alright.
I just wanna live my dream. Go on tour, see the fans. I just wanna build a team. I'm the man, yes you can. So just go and live your dream. Go do it. I can see it happen each and you just gotta get right to it. My everything for the dream that I feel.
Bro, that's what I'm talking about. Good. Who cares if it's not a hit? You made that song. Who made that song? You did, exactly. You made that song, man. Why are you putting yourself down? Don't put yourself down. You were starting. There's people out there that don't even start their dreams. And here you are, freaking, you made a song about your dream. You can't get any better than that. Yeah, that's true. Appreciate it. I really do appreciate it. That song's pretty good. Since when did you start making music? In January 2023. It's been about like a year and 9 months. Bro, that's really good. You're only a year and 9 months in. Famous rappers, they've been putting in 5 years and then they popped off. Don't even worry about becoming famous. Get good at your craft. Just get good, keep going, appreciate what you have. People do appreciate you. I appreciate your music. If you think about giving up, man, think about the people that are fans of you right now. You're giving up on them. Yeah, you're right. Appreciate it, bro.